Okay, welcome to another interesting tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make a shirt collar, button down shirt collar. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to measure your round neck. Measure your round neck. Gently measure your round neck. You have to know that this round neck is round. That's why it's round neck. So you must calm down to take the measurement so that there won't be any mistake at all. So calm down and take the round measurement of the clothes. So we're making it for this particular one. I've measured it and it gave me 20 inches. Okay, one thing to note when you are making a shirt collar is that whatever your round neck measurement is, it must be increased by 2 inches by the time you've finished folding the button hole and button allowance at the front. So it must be increased by 2 inches. What do I mean by that? If your round neck is 16, at the by the time you want to put your collar, you must have 18 inches. That's increase of 2 inches. Why? Because of the button and buttonhole allowance at the front. Okay, that being said, the first thing you want to do is to divide whatever you have at that neck, round neck measurement, divide it by 2. So I'm using pencil. I will further use the biro so that you can see it better. Okay, so you divide whatever you measure at the neck by 2. For mine, it is 10 inches, and then I'm starting from 11 here because I don't want to start from the beginning of I don't want to this part to be included. So from 11 to 10, that's 10 inches. Okay, and then you further divide that 10 inches by 2, that's 5 inches. Okay, after I gotten that, you come, so this becomes our center front and this is our center back. Okay, and this is the middle, the division of the 10 inches. So you come to this center front and go up by 1 inch. Okay, when you go up by 1 inch, then you want, with a smooth curve, you want to connect this 1 inch to this middle point, that is this 5 inches, like so. So let it be smooth but not too curvy. Let it not be too curvy but smoothly connected, like so. Okay, now the implication of this is that we have increased this the length of this, or the wideness of this down part. Remember I said our measurement is 10 inches, so I want to be sure I still have 10 inches, or if it's more I reduce it. Okay, so you hold it straight at this midpoint and then you follow the curve to get your 10 inches measurement. Okay, I told you is increased by 0.225 now. So this is our new line, and then now you determine the height of your collar stand. So for me, 1 inch is just okay. You can do 1.25, you can do 1.5. It depends on your own preference. So for me, I want it to be 1 inch, so I'll come up on this exact measurement of 10 inch. I'll come up by 1 inch for my collar stand, and then I'll mark 1 inch at the middle as well, and then 1 inch at the center back, like so. And then I will connect them all together. First of all, I need a straight line here. You connect it straight, this place like this, and then remember we use a slight curve here, so I want to do the same thing, but you must be sure it's not too curvy. Okay, I'll connect that like so, and then I'll connect it straight to this center back like this. Okay, and then for that curvy effect at the front, at the center front, I will just come in by 1/2 inch, sorry, 0.75, and then you connect that to like this smooth curve, like so. Okay, so that is that for the collar stand. Okay, collar stand. The next we want to do is the collar itself. And what's the first thing you will do? From this 1/2 inch mark, just get a straight line. The pattern master is actually good, or your triangle, because you can simply use this part to get a straight line. So I'll be using it. So, and how do you use that? You set it straight on the edge of your paper or fabric, whatever you're doing, and then you connect straight. Okay, so this helps me to get a straight line. Now after this, the next thing you want to do is to come to this center, the neckline. Now this becomes this is the part that is going to that round neck. Okay, so at this part, come in by 1 inch. Remember, I'm not marking 2 inches, I'm marking 1 because this is out of it. I don't want to start from the 1 inch. Okay, so this is 1 inch. Okay, and then on this line I want to get a straight line up here. Why? Because you know the collar is always shorter, at least by 1 inch. Is always shorter than the collar stand. So that is what the effect you are trying to get now. Okay, so I want a straight line on this 1 inch mark. I'm not marking it from the beginning, I will start marking from here like so. And then after getting that straight line, now you determine the height of your collar. It all depends on your preference. For me, I want it to be 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Okay, this is 2.5 inches. 1, 2.5, right? 2.5 inches at this point. And then you also determine if you want it to be so pointy at this part, or you don't want it to be pointy. So for me, I want it to just come out by 0.75. It depends on your preference. Okay, so on this 2.5, from here to here is 2.5 inches. So you go in or out by half inch, 0.5. Okay, this is 0.5, and then from this is 0.5, I'll connect to this, the beginning of our collar, like so. Okay, I'll connect it like so. Okay, and then I will get a straight line from this place back to this place, like this, to the center, from the center front to the center back. Okay, okay, now after getting that, the next thing I want to do is to reduce the height of my collar at the center back, because the center back is shorter than the center front when talking about collar. So I just want my own collar at the center back to be 2 inches. That's 0.75 less than the center front. Okay, and then I will first of all, with a broken line, connect that to here, like that. I'll connect it this way. You connect it like so, and then you can now blend in or the cuff, because you want it a bit curvy when you are getting to that back. Okay, so okay, I don't want to use a straight line to connect that. I think I will end up using the straight line. Okay, so this is okay for me. All right, so this is our collar, and this is our collar stand. So the next thing is to cut out. So I'll cut out the collar first. Cut out the collar. So I'll be labeling the collar too, center front and center back. Okay, this is our collar. Here is the center back, and here is the center front. I'm sorry I forgot to use the biro before cutting out, but you can simply zoom in to get to see clearly. I noticed the video is not that clear. I don't know why. So just zoom in, and then you'll be able to get the glimpse of every part of this tutorial. Okay, so you cut out, and please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe so that you click the notification bell, so that you will know each time we drop a video. Thank you for watching. Okay, so after cutting out, the next thing you will do is to place this on your interface. So the whatever interfacing you want to use, color stay, stay, soft stay, anything, just place this on it. On food, okay, just place this on it. You can watch the next video where I'll be making the collar, be placing it on the stay, placing the stay on the fabric, ironing out, and then how to go about that and joining it to the neckline. Thank you for watching.